Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this DRONRCBRO i9 drone for kids and for everybody else, of course. It's a quadcopter for beginners, but it has already built in a lot of features like a 3D flip and headless mode, altitude hold and colored lights, and everything is included. Even it comes with 2 batteries, which is really good. It has 3 different speeds, and so you get basically everything what you need. And so this could be also an awesome gift for family or friends. And so let's take it out of the box and see what we get and how it's flying in real life. So here we have it, and we get some information that it has maximum range of around 98 feet or 30 meters. And so here we see it, and it looks like it's really nice. I would say from the quality and build and everything, it's much better than what I've seen so far. Really nice. And also the controller makes a really good impression. Then we get all the accessories, battery, charging cable, those things. And so here we have also the 2 batteries. Here you can see everything what we get, like these charging cables here, even 2 of them. We get even replacement screws. We get a lot of these impeller replacements. Really nice set, I would say. This is set up for a lot of fun and long fun. And so here we have the i9 drone user manual. I think it's not so much. I think it's really nicely focusing on the really important things, so I can show you everything if you are interested. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can see and read everything. Here you can see the nice functions which are already pre-built in, and we have even some troubleshooting side. Everything very complete, not too large, not too small, so it comes fully assembled. We just have these replacement parts here, and again, solid build here. Also these rubber feet here, so when we land it, it's not going to be a super hard landing. Exactly how we want it. So I'm going to charge it, and then let's see how it works. Comes even with a screwdriver to open the battery compartment here of the controller. What I also like is that we can use it with the screw or without the screw, depending on how you trust your children. We need 3 AAA batteries. They are not included, but that's actually the only thing which is not included in this set. So the battery is fully charged, and we turn this wheel here to open the battery compartment. And so we add the battery here. It's a little bit tight in here, but I think still enough space to put it inside. Now we have it. Definitely no problem. And we secure the battery compartment. And now we have to turn on the drone first, and then the remote control with this button here. And then we are using the calibration here in the middle. So I think this is finished and we are ready to fly already. So I've been flying with this thing for a while, and my experience was really good. Much better than everything what I've seen so far in this drone class. So everything works really nicely. The trimming is good, and also the joystick has been working really good. It's on a very good level. This thing is really solid built, and with these functions here, I love this thing. Automatic start and stop, and the light and different speed, and also these special functions here. Everything has been working really good. I started a little bit inside. I was a little bit careful, but the really good thing is you can start really fast with this thing. You don't need any experience. After the automatic start, it is really super stable. If it's not straight, you can trim it here a little bit, and I've been flying through my home a little bit, and it was absolutely super easy to avoid any touches. I mean, I had some after that because it was so easy to start. In a sudden I felt almost like a pro, and I thought, okay, let's fly like a pro. But of course it still needs a little bit of experience to fly really fast, so I highly recommend to start slow. But as long as you're going slow, there's almost nothing which can happen with this thing. This is so good, so easy to fly, so stable. can move it up and down, left and right, and rotate. And after that I've been going outside to see how stable this is even outside, and it has also fully convinced me outside. I have tried a couple of fast flights, first on the slow setting, then I increased to double speed and then triple speed, and on triple speed it's pretty fast, I can tell you, for such a small drone in this class. I have been really impressed, and you can easily go somewhere and then fly it back and stabilize it again, let it fly around you up and down, and use the automatic landing again. So this is as good as it gets. Of course, I had a couple of hard landings when I was a little bit overdoing and overestimating my skills, but definitely nothing too hard, and the really good thing, you can see that here, you can check everything, there's absolutely nothing to see. I've even checked with my magnifying glass and I couldn't find any damage nowhere, not on the drone and also not on the impellers, absolutely nothing. So for the first time with flying such a drone, I had much more fun than fear, so I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.